guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the text color of your karaoke animation on CapCut PC. I'm just going to go with default text right now because I don't know like what song lyric to use. I don't have any in mind right now, so I'm just going to use this one. I hope that's fine with you. You can also change the font, then go to the animation section, go to in and select the karaoke animation one, which is this one. You can also adjust the duration here so it's not super fast. Okay, once you are done with that, you are going to right click your compound clip and you're going to select adjustments. You're going to turn down the saturation, you're going to turn up the brightness. I'm just going to leave the contrast. I'll turn up highlights, I'll turn up shadows, and I'm going to leave whites for now. Go to media or just like copy and paste a color. I'm just going to select this pink one because that's all I can find right now, and I'm just going to freeze frame it. Add it on top of the text. Go to basic, go to blend mode, and select the overlay one. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!